Hello everyone, I am Wali Darshadawan and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. In this video I will going to show you that how can we install a SSL certificate, which is a secure socket layer certificate in AWS Lightsail WordPress website. Basically what this means is your traffic to and from your website will be encrypted, and that is really important for two reasons. One, it gives a user a peace of mind, and two, it actually gives you a priority on search engine sites that use only HTTP, and they are actually automatically now lower rank on Google just because it is less secure. So right now if we go to our website, which is walidarsha.com, it says that it's not secure. That's because it's only contain HTTP, not HTTPS. As you can see, let me show you. Here you can see it's only show HTTP, it's not HTTPS. So what we are going to do is to install a SSL in our website to make it secure. So let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is to log into AWS Lightsail. I'm already logged in, as you can see, and this is my website instance on Lightsail. And so what we are going to do is to go and connect to it our SSH. So Bitnami has made doing this incredibly easy and will automatically renew your certificate for you every time it's about to expire. So let's try. So let's write. So you just type sudo opt bitnami bnsert tool and just click enter. It will take some seconds. So now we will go through and create the tool for you to automatically set up SSL and request the certificate and keep them up to date. So just say yes by writing a Y, and we are going to run the previous command again, but now it should be updated. So now all we have to do is to enter a comma separated list of all the domains we plan to use. So for that, my website is hosted on walidarshad.com. But you will enter your domain name here. So that's what we are going to do, and just click enter. So now we are not using www dot, so I am going to click no, and it's going to give us a warning, and so Bitnami will also automatically forward all your HTTP traffic to HTTPS traffic. So we are going to say yes. Okay, so now for let's encrypt certificate, you actually need to have a valid email. So I am going to put my email in here to agree, and so now just like that we are done. It will take some time. Okay, so it's look like everything is done. So now let's go back to our site and refresh the website to see is it working or not. And as you can see that it has gone from unsecured to secured by this little log right here, and we can see right here that there is a certificate. Let's encrypt certificate that is valid until March 20. And so actually what I would recommend doing this just in case is set up a calendar reminder like maybe 2 weeks before this certificate expires, just to make sure that Bitnami automatically gets you that new certificate. But it should automatically, and just like that you now have SSL on your website. Okay, here is one important advice from my side to you is that do not run this on live website. And if you are going to do this on live website, at least make sure you have a snapshot backup beforehand, just in case everything happens. So alright, well, that's all I have got for you in this video. It is just that easy. Go ahead and leave in the comment below and any other tutorial you would like to see me make, and have a good one. Bye. And please like my video and do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you so much.